Hey guys, it's Tuesday, June the 4th. Hope everybody's doing well. Finally getting settled in on the new place. Going to look at the pound dollar. Might as well get the advertisements out of the way first. Remember, this is for trading education purposes only. Trade at your own risk. You can lose some or all of your money trading. It's very risky trading Forex currencies. So trade at your own risk and do your own due diligence, and do not follow anybody, including me, blindly. Okay, so we're going to start out with the pound dollar 1 hour. Is in a sell right now. As you can see, the arrows there was your opportunity. Any of those three candles right there to get in short, and it's still in a sale. If you wanted to still be in the sale, the stop would have to be the high of these candles right there to be short. But it may not be done to the upside just yet. We still got a ways to go though. That's a yearly pivot which it bounced off of about a month ago almost. So the Aussie dollar is in a 1 hour sale. Now it's ran away. It didn't give you that opportunity to get in. On here, so I'm looking for a pullback up and an opportunity to sell somewhere up in here. So nothing to do on the Aussie dollar. Pound CAD, it has made a 1 hour sale. This is actually looking pretty good. That's a yearly resistance, that line right there. As you can see over here, I'll squeeze it in. We hit it, and sold off. Then we come screaming back up. Now this is a run up right there, but it's going to come back and fill that in somewhere down into here. So this could be a legitimate sale back down into here. So I'm going to look for a sell opportunity on the pound CAD low risk trade, which is there right now actually. But I'm trying to see if there was anything else. So I'm going to go ahead and take the pound CAD short because of the risk. The high of the arrows is 175.03 and it's trading at 92, so that's $14 risk. That's all I'm risking, is $14. So I'm going to take that trade. That's the pound CAD. The pound yen, I'm only looking for sales in it. It has created a buy on the 1 hour. These are all 1 hour charts, by the way. And for those of you who are new and this is first time here, welcome to start with. And if you would subscribe to my channel, which I'm not going to be begging, but if I'm able to help you, then please subscribe. If I don't help you, then there's no reason to subscribe. But it does give you an opportunity to alert you when I have a video if you do subscribe. But the pound yen, I'm only looking for sales on the pound yen, the Aussie yen, the Euro yen, the CAD yen, and the New Zealand yen, and the pound yen. All of those I'm just looking for sales only, even though there is a buy set up here on the pound yen. And it actually looks like a pretty good one. I'm going to squeeze this down further. Now here's yearly support. That was a previously resistance. It is now support. So we could be heading down to there. So we got to be careful about that. So this could be just a short-term push-up before it heads lower. So I got to have a good setup for that buy, which has made a low-risk trade right now. 197.19, and well, no, it hadn't either. 197.19 was that low, and it's trading at 76. So that's about a $70 risk. That is not a good trade setup. It's got to come down some more. Unless you use that as your stop, then that would be 39.76. That would still be $40 risk, even at that right there. Euro New Zealand is in a buy, but it is getting close. That's yearly pivot support. So you would think that it's coming down to that, and I'll look for a buy opportunity somewhere in there on the Euro New Zealand. The pound New Zealand has the same picture. So that was a good sell right there. That little poke up right there gave you the opportunity to sell. And I think you'd have been able to move your stop, yep, all the way down. And then when there was no retracements down here, you'd have had to figure out what you done. Of course, when these showed up, I'd have got out. It had been right up in here because I have to wait for the close. That's where I got out right there. The buy, there's a buy opportunity. There's one right there, moved up, another opportunity. So there could be a little bit push higher somewhere up into here before the sell-off on the pound New Zealand. New Zealand yen, I'm only looking for sales. It does have a buy set up there too. This is a flush down, so this is going to get retraced. Back up into here. May not happen today or tomorrow, but it will retrace back up into here at some point for a sell opportunity. Euro Australia dollar is in a sell. That's a good sell. If you got in now, the high of that candle right there would be your stop. Not that one, but this one. It would be your stop. So that is a low risk trade on the Euro Aussie. But parabolic SAR is stretched and it started coming back, but it hadn't really moved down with the SAR moving down. So this could be still a push up coming. But it is a low risk trade. The high of that candle is 63.85. We're trading at 66, so about $22 risk if you got in right now on the Euro Aussie short. Euro CAD's made a 1 hour sell. That's looking pretty good for a sell. There's your flush up. It's going to come back down into here. Like I said, it won't happen today. May not happen tomorrow, but it is coming back down into here somewhere for the shorts. I'm going to look for a short opportunity on the Euro CAD setup here today or tonight during Asian session. Pound Aussie has made, see, that's a parabolic SAR is stretched. So I'm going to be looking for a sell on the pound Aussie as well. And I'll be looking for a pullback somewhere down into here on it. That was a good buy. See, there's the pullback into it. See, if you didn't get that one, which you'd have got half your money and got stopped out. If you got into this one, you're still in this trade. And your stop right now, well, I'd have been out when these show up, but the stop for you could be right up in here. I'm looking for a sell opportunity on the pound Aussie. CAD yen, only looking for shorts. It's made a buy. We're below the yearly resistance pivot, which is now support, but we've closed below the support. Euro yen, same thing, only looking for, there's the yearly support. That's probably where we're coming, it's right there. Only looking for sales, so it's got a buy, so I can't do anything. But see, there's a flush down. Looking for it to come back up in here. Probably won't happen today or tomorrow, but I'm going to look for a sell opportunity in there. And if it does push down in here, may look for a short-term buy opportunity down in there on the Euro yen. Aussie yen, same thing, flush down. There's where we're looking for right there. It's going to come back up into there at some point. There's the yearly resistance pivot right there. So it could be coming down to that, but there could be a push up first before it comes down further on the Aussie yen. So that's everything for today. Of course, this video is being recorded, be posted about 15 or 20 minutes. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to go to my video. Underneath the video, there's a comment section, and just put your question or comment in there, and I'll get back to you usually pretty quick. So I'm going to have another video tomorrow, hopefully. So everybody, if you're in trades, please take your profit, at least, a third, quarter, half, whatever it is you're comfortable with. Mine's a half. And then move your stops on the rest. Just monitor it, because we're starting to get into the summer trading now, so it may be a little bit tighter here coming up. So just be very, very careful. So we will see you guys hopefully tomorrow.